Hi friends, today we are going to cover using Resource Manager with CDB and PDBs. So in this practice we will create two CDB Resource Manager plans and associated directives to limit the CPU time used by two PDBs. Following are the Resource Manager plans that we will create in this practice. First one is a balanced plan where PDB1, PDB2 have one share each. So its balanced plan is equal plan. And one is a biased plan where PDB1 has share 4 and PDB2 has share 1. You will follow the following testing procedure: enable the balanced plan, apply load on CPU in PDB1 and PDB2 in the same time, enable biased plan, apply load on CPU in both PDBs, compare the result that you obtain when enabling these plans. Practice assumption: CDB1 in MRB1 database is up and running. So we already have MRB1 up and running. So we'll start the database, log into PuTTY and start the database. We'll start the listener first. Then we'll log into the database and start up. Okay, database is started. So next, create CDB Resource Manager plans and directives. In this section of the practice, we will create the Resource Manager plans and directives as shown in the table in the preview section. Create a pluggable database named PDB1. So SQL plus star as CDB, this is already done. So we will create pluggable database PDB1. We will create a pluggable database. PDB1 already there. So PDB1 is already there. Let's drop the database and create drop pluggable. Already closed. Drop Now we will run this command. Okay. Next, we will open the pluggable database. Under pluggable database PDB1 open. Then we will save the state. Okay, this is done. Verify that PDB1, PDB2 databases are available and open in read-write mode. So we'll run this command. So PDB1, PDB2 both are in read-write mode. So we are good. Connect to PDB1 as system user and create the following PLSQL procedure. So let's connect as PDB1 and create this procedure. So we will create this procedure in PDB1. Procedure created. Connect to PDB2 and create the same procedure. So we'll connect to PDB2 and we'll create the same procedure. Okay, so we have created the procedure. Now we'll create the resource balanced plan and configure the plan directive in it. This plan gives one share to both PDB1 and PDB2. This means they both have the same priority to receive CPU time resources. So we will connect to container CDB root. Then pending area, create pending area. Then create CDB plan, PDB plan directive. Okay, everything done for the balanced plan. Now create the resource plan bias plan and configure the plan directive in it. This plan gives 4 shares to PDB1 and 1 share to PDB2. So next we will execute this. Directive validate pending area. No, submit pending area. Submit pending area. Okay. So make sure the plans and the associated directives are successfully created. So we first run this query. So we can see balanced plan and biased plan. Next is on the directive and run this query. Biased plan PDB1 shares 3 and PDB2 share 1. So now test the created resource plan. In this section of the practice, you will test the created resource manager plan. You will create 4 sessions connected to the database, 2 sessions connected to PDB1 and other 2 sessions connected to PDB2. We will enable the plan that you created and apply load on the CPU from all the sessions. First you will have to connect to the root, connect as CDB. Okay, connected. Alter system, set resource manager plan equal to balanced plan. Resource manager plan equal to balanced plan. Then we have this, we can run this query. Balanced plan. Now connect to the system of PD1 and set server output variable. So we'll open 4 sessions, 4 PuTTY sessions. So we will log into MRV1. So we are connected to PDB1, set server output on. Set server output on. This is one session. We will have to duplicate session root. Again we will connect to PDB1, SQL plus system Oracle at PDB1. Set we have two sessions now. These two are PDB one session. We will create two more sessions. This time connect to PDB 2. PDB 2. This is the third session, and we have to create another session. Connect root. Okay, now we will have to these four sessions we can place side by side. This is first, second session, this is the first session, this is the third session, and this is the fourth session. So what we have to do is this is a 4 putty session. Now we will, without pressing exit each CPU, without pressing the buttons. We will place this, place this. Okay. Click on the putty window and enter. Try to do it as soon as possible. So now we will press enter in all the windows as soon as possible. Press enter, press enter, press enter, press enter. When the procedure finishes execution on the window, compare the elapsed execution time on the window. So we will have to compare the elapsed execution time in all the windows. So as you can see, the elapsed time is 104 seconds, 106 seconds, 104 seconds and 104 seconds. So in all the window you can see the elapsed time is more or less the same. So now what we'll have to do is we will change this to bias plan. So in this window we will change this bias plan. Okay. So we'll see. Now it is bias plan. So we will do the same test, and again we will do the same test. So again we'll put this in all the windows. All the windows will put this. So at the same time we will press enter. So let's see what the result shows this time. So as you can see in the bias plan, in PDB one session it completed in 73 seconds, in another session it completed in 74 seconds, but in PDB2 which had only one share of CPU, it's completed in 109 seconds, and the other PDB2 session completed in 107 seconds. So you can say there is a marked difference between the elapsed time of PDB1 and PDB2. This is because of the bias plan that we set up. Then we will do the cleanup. Connect as CDB. We are already connected as CDB, so we will run this command. So we can see that the plan is no longer there. Delete the resource plans. So we have this. Okay, so we are done with removing the resource plans. Exit from all the PDB sessions. So that's it about resource plan and their directives. Thank you.